Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to annotate on your Promethean board. Head over to one.prometheanworld.com and sign in with your account. Next, go ahead and open up the document or slides you wish to write on. Be sure to open it in a new tab so the annotation layer can sit right on top of it. Now, go back to the One Promethean World website. In the top left corner, you'll see the waffle menu. That's the grid of little squares. Click on it. Then locate and select the Annotate feature.
Once you select Annotate, click the purple Select Screen button. Then, choose the screen displaying your Google Slides or PDF. Choose Chrome tab, then select the tab with your Google Slides or PDF. Next, click Share. Ready to annotate? Click View tab, annotate.one.prometheanworld.com. The annotation tools will appear, letting you know you're ready to begin. Need to change slides? Simply click View tab and select the next slide. Need to switch PDFs? Click Stop Sharing, then restart the screen selection process. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be a pro in no time.